Good morning. Andrew here, DrDetail. A lot of people tell me that I do fantastic work and I can do the work on wheel repair on the car. No, you can't do it. The wheel has to come off, and if you want to take it off, we got to take the wheel off. We have to take it off done properly. Andrew, DrDetail, to do this CurbRash on this 2018 Honda, beautiful car. We have to get at it. We have to take the tire off. It's got to be done properly. Andrew, DrDetail. First video, we'll do the first video to show you the damage. The second video, the final result, and we're going to clean this up. Andrew, DrDetail. Andrew, DrDetail, Inc.com, the wheel repair specialist. We're really good with the Hondas. Andrew here, DrDetail. I'm going to show you, we took this wheel off, right front passenger Honda wheel on this new beautiful Accord. We're going to clean up all this CurbRash all the way around. Look like a Roman chariot wheel. Andrew, DrDetail. Oh, this is funny. My dog got a hold of my little advertising card here and chewed the corner. It's like the homework. The dog ate the homework. Andrew, DrDetail, video 2. We're going to show you the end result on this Honda Accord 2018. We're going to fix the CurbRash. Beautiful. Andrew here, DrDetail, video 3. We just finished this 2018 Honda front right passenger side. All the CurbRash is repaired. Beautiful. All the way around. All done. Andrew, DrDetail. 18-inch wheel. All gouged, CurbRashed. Andrew, DrDetail, Inc.com. Come and see me. I'm your Honda wheel specialist. Andrew, DrDetail, Inc.com.